How to change friend's name on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is tap on the chat icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen or swipe right from the camera screen. Now, once there, find the friend whose name you want to change. All you have to do is tap on the friend's name. So I do not have any friends available here, so I'm just showing you from my AI. The process is same, so you can follow it. Tap on the friend's profile, then navigate to their profile and tap on their name. And once you tap on their name, you'll get to see the edit option available on your screen. Now all you have to do is type your new name. You can enter a nickname, emoji, or anything you like and tap on the save option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.